Welcome back to VeloView. I'm really glad you're here, and today I'm taking you through a full and detailed look at the 2026 Kia Ceed, also referred to in many markets as the Kia K4 Hatchback. This car represents an important step for Kia, not only because it continues the lineage of one of their most popular hatchbacks but also because it showcases the brand's move toward more futuristic design, smarter technology, and a broader appeal in the compact car segment. So, let's dive straight into everything you need to know about it in one long conversation, almost as if we're talking face to face about a car you're thinking of buying or just admiring. When it comes to design, the 2026 Kia Ceed doesn't just refresh what came before, it redefines it. Kia has been pushing its opposites united design philosophy across the lineup, and here it's easy to see that philosophy coming to life. The front end greets you with a sharper take on the brand's tiger nose grille, flanked by striking vertical LED lighting that looks far more premium than what you'd expect in a compact hatchback. The body lines are sharper and more sculpted, making the car appear sleek and aerodynamic, while the longer overall length and increased wheelbase compared to the previous Ceed not only give it a more commanding road presence but also serve a practical purpose for passenger comfort. The shooting brake-inspired shape, combined with details like the hidden rear door handles, brings an almost coupe-like quality without sacrificing practicality, and the rear completes the sporty stance with slim LED taillights and a bold bumper design. This is a hatchback that looks as if it belongs several classes above its segment, a clear sign that Kia wants you to feel proud parking it in your driveway. Step inside and the transformation continues. Kia has always been known for providing good value in terms of interiors, but the 2026 Ceed feels more like a scaled-down luxury car in many ways. Soft touch surfaces are used generously, the upholstery quality has been raised, and the entire cabin layout feels uncluttered yet modern. Dominating the dashboard is a nearly 30-inch digital display that merges the driver's instrument cluster with the central infotainment system, offering crisp graphics and a highly customizable interface. Navigation, media, and vehicle settings are all seamlessly integrated, and Kia's "Hey Kia" voice assistant makes controlling the system feel natural. Features like Digital Key 2.0 allow you to unlock and start the car with your smartphone or even an NFC card, and the car is future-ready with over-the-air software updates, meaning many features can be enhanced or upgraded without a dealership visit. In terms of practicality, the hatchback shape allows for excellent cargo space, with a class-leading 629 liters available in the boot with the rear seats upright. Rear passengers are also treated well thanks to the longer wheelbase, offering much more legroom and headroom than before, ensuring that this car is just as comfortable for families as it is stylish for young professionals. Of course, a hatchback can look stunning and pack in technology, but performance is what often separates a good car from a memorable one. Kia has equipped the 2026 Ceed with two strong engine choices for different buyers. The base 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine provides smooth and reliable performance, perfect for daily commuters who prioritize efficiency and longevity. For those who want a bit more excitement, the 1.6-liter turbocharged four-cylinder produces about 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that keeps shifts smooth and responsive. The GT Line and GT Line turbo trims take things up a notch with sport-tuned suspension that makes the car sharper in corners and more engaging to drive, while still keeping ride comfort intact. There are whispers about hybrid and possibly full electric variants being introduced in certain markets in the near future, especially in Europe, which aligns with Kia's global push toward electrification. This forward-looking strategy could give the Ceed K4 an edge against rivals as more buyers demand sustainable mobility without compromising on practicality. One of the highlights that deserves special mention is the focus on safety and convenience. Kia has equipped this model with up to 29 available driver assistance systems, with 16 included as standard. That means things like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring with live video feed on the dashboard, and a 360-degree surround view monitor are either standard or easily available. These features, which were once reserved for premium vehicles, now come in a package that makes a hatchback feel like a cutting-edge family car. It's clear Kia is making safety one of the cornerstones of the Ceed's appeal, a strategy that will win over families as well as tech-savvy drivers. What makes the 2026 Kia Ceed particularly interesting is how it positions itself in the competitive hatchback market. It is directly up against heavyweights like the Volkswagen Golf, Honda Civic, and Toyota Corolla hatchback, all of which have loyal fan bases and proven reputations. But Kia seems to have studied its competition carefully and packed the Ceed with just the right balance of style, practicality, and technology to outshine them. Compared to the Golf, the Ceed looks bolder and offers more interior tech. Against the Civic, it competes with sporty handling while offering more value. And compared to the Corolla, it simply feels more modern and ambitious. This is why some industry experts are already calling it one of the best value cars of 2026, and it is easy to see why. It's also worth mentioning the broader context. In some markets, Kia has started phasing out the traditional Ceed branding and moving toward the K4 name, reflecting a more global identity for its lineup. In places like the UK, the Ceed hatch and estate variants have already been discontinued, but what we're getting in the 2026 version feels like a worthy continuation of its legacy, even under a different name. That shift may take some getting used to for longtime fans, but once you step into this car, the quality and innovation on display will likely ease any nostalgia for the old badge. In conclusion, the 2026 Kia Ceed is far more than just a simple update. It represents Kia's clear vision for the future of compact cars, blending bold design, cutting-edge technology, strong safety features, and practical everyday usability into a single package that punches above its weight class. It's not just about moving from point A to point B anymore, it's about enjoying the drive, feeling secure, and having a car that looks as modern as the devices we use every day. Whether you're someone looking for a family-friendly hatchback with loads of space, a young professional wanting something stylish yet practical, or even an enthusiast wanting a sporty edge in a compact body, the Ceed offers something for everyone. It's a statement car for Kia and a compelling choice for buyers. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Kia Ceed, and if you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to VeloView for more detailed car reviews, industry insights, and future auto news. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.